Hey guys, Michigan Marijuana for Noobs, back again, taking on a project this time. We're gonna do your own DIY greenhouse for the grow, get a little bit more room. If you guys can see them spikes, that'll be the size of the greenhouse. It'll be 10 by 20, and I am converting a ProLogic shelter, not sponsored, but just what I had, and I'll be putting polyfilm over the top. Some of the stuff that we have, a couple end peaks that I'm going to reuse, the framing from the shelter, corners of course. I got polyfilm here, 20 by 25. I don't know if that'll even be enough. And then I got some weed control fabric, and that's 4 by 50, so I'll have a nice clean bottom. But we'll do a little updates, and I'll get back at you in a few minutes when we get a little farther along. Hey guys, we're back. I just wanted to give you a little update and show you how far we got. Ran out of fabric, so I'll have to run to the store in the morning. It's already too late to go get more, but she's coming along. Tomorrow we'll get the frame up. So I wanted to show you how it was going. It's only about 40 degrees out, so this greenhouse will definitely help. But on to the next update. See you guys in a little while. Hey guys, back for another update. Getting a little bit farther along. I put the end pieces up, and we're about to tackle the new clear plastic top, and we're gonna run the top down, or the plastic rather, down this front side, and then leave a wall in the back so the neighbors can't see in. This side over here is south facing, so it should get plenty of light with both roof peaks, and this left side with clear plastic. I'll be back again once we get a little bit farther along. Hey guys, back. Michigan Marijuana for Noobs. Thought I'd give you a little update on how far I got today. Got the plastic on the top. I zip tied the corners to stretch it out. I'll also probably use some of these bungees just to help. And then along this side will be a plastic wall. And then it'll be a tarp off each peak, and a tarp in the back once we lift it up. But it'll do just fine for what we need it for. Maybe I'll walk around and show you the whole thing here. Got quite a few extra feet, so we'll cut that off. We'll see though, I guess, how much is extra when we lift it. Well, I'll check back again when we get it lifted up and show you the progress. That's it for now. Thanks. Hey guys, Michigan Marijuana for Noobs. Back for this final update on how the greenhouse turned out. Finally got it up last night, but it was too dark to shoot. But got it all on there. I am going to do some minor changes, and I'll update you when we do that, because you just look, I just secured the plastic with zip ties temporarily. But we're going to do a board on the inside the plastic, and then we'll put a clamp to attach the board, and then we'll take another board on the outside and screw the plastic, and then the same thing on the other side, so then we can get it super tight. But it'll get the job done. And then I just put a solid piece. Sorry, it looks like crap. All wet on the ground. But other than that, just gotta finish securing it, and then other than that, looks good. Kinda windy now, so show you the inside. Oh, nice and warm in here. Drastically different. Should work, I think. We'll get all these corners and stuff sealed up. I'll get some tape, seal them corners, and make her somewhat airtight. But I took some straps last night because it's kind of windy last night and today, and pounded a stake in the ground and ratcheted a strap around the pole just to somewhat keep it secure, somewhat. Holy shit. It's actually very windy out right now. Alright though, guys. Be back again with another video.